Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Citibank credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.citi.com and press enter. You'll soon end up in the official web page of Citibank. Citibank is a global financial institution that offers a variety of financial products and services including credit cards. To log into your credit card and manage your account, you'll need to first log into your online banking account. Go ahead and enter your user ID on the right hand side of the screen and then enter your password on the next field. After you are done entering the credentials, you can click on the sign on button. Once you're logged into your online banking account, look for the credit cards tab and then you'll be able to log into your credit card service for Citibank. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.